Hello everyone, welcome to this new session, constructing pipelines with collection. Okay, so to demonstrate this particular session, I have taken a task like iterating the list of strings and converting the data into lowercase and collect it and print it finally. Okay, so in such cases, I need a list of strings. Okay, let me stream that. See, how do we call the functional? How do you apply functional programming on a collection? Just by calling stream object. It has two types of stream. One is stream and another one is parallel stream. Parallel stream utilizes the multi-threading advantages without even touching the multi-threading can actually use it. So as of now, I'm just putting these things. Just the difference is it that it taken by each object will be taken by different thread and it executes that execution is random. Just the differences. Okay. I have done that iteration. Again, I have to do some manipulations. So I apply a map. Okay. So each object in this one will be streamed and will be inputted here. So this lower is a string object. Okay, then I can call two lowercase and I have to collect it and I have to print it. So before doing that, so in previous case, what we had seen is simply we have wrapped that in optional and we have printed it. So in this case, let me print this as is and we'll see how it actually looks. It printed the references. See, if you look that this statement doesn't even executed, how can we actually ensure that the statement has been executed or not? Okay, so let me execute once again. Let's see. See, this has not executed this particular line. So in collections, if we apply the stream API, so here without actually mentioning that collector, it doesn't even execute any of these things. So it is an incomplete stream. Okay. So let me apply the collector. Collector is actually a separate chapter. We'll just simply put collectors as of now. We'll check other options later. I'm just calling toList method. What it does, it creates a list and it put all the data of the previous result and it sends. What is the return of the previous statement? It is a string. So then the collector list output would be list of string. Okay, let's print and see. So look here, this has been printed n number of times. So now this statement is executed. I like to get rid of this things. Okay, I'll just declare this as a separate list. I would personally prefer to format these things in this format so that you know where it starts and where it ends instead of having a rating thing. So you'll come to know, okay, where it starts and what I'm actually trying to do, those things. Okay, let me print this alpha as well as result. You'll get to know this alpha list has not been changed anything and still it gives the result of whatever the things modified here available in the result variable. So look, this has been printed after this manipulation has been done and still there are no changes in the input and still we got the result. So this is how we have to actually not modify the given input and we can extract or we can convert and we make a new set of output and we'll just collect and return it. Okay, this is how we have to keep cascade our sequence of operations. So look here, iteration and conversion, again collect. So our task is done. See, right now if I want to add some more things, say I wanted to check this should not be null, so I have to apply filter first. Okay, so prior to that, so what if I have a null in one of the object, I'll get an null pointer exception. Yes, so I like to check is it of non-null. Okay, again lambda expression. So how do you check is it of non-null? So this is how you have to check it. Okay, so this is in general, we'll check it if it is null and it doesn't process, so all other data processed and we got the result. Okay, so but this is not the preferred way. There is a class objects, it's available in Java util, and it has a non-null method, and here you can pass that object and you can check it is of non-null or not. Look, the result is same and it is filtered the non-null values from here. So it returns true or false based on that. If it is null, it will be false, otherwise it will be true. It should not be null. Okay. So then proceed all those things and you get the result. So this is also we can append a number of things. As like we had seen in optional, you can apply filter map, a number of things and you can do it. So this is how we'll construct the pipelines on the collections. So here I have actually iterated the list. You can iterate on set or map any other collections. Hope you understood. We'll see you shortly in the next session. Bye bye.